Welcome back to Crypto Farm, where today we're going to be talking about a very cool project. The first one I've ever seen on the Elrond blockchain, a play-to-earn interstellar game called Krogan. Now, minting is going to begin on the 9th of January 2022, and definitely stay up to date if you want to learn more and potentially participate in the mint of something that's going to be really cool and have a lot of metaverse implications in the future as well. So before we get into the video, before we start talking about a little bit of the communities, obviously we have the Discord, we have the Twitter, we do have the Insta page as well, where you can see a lot of the artwork of these little Krogan spacecraft. But what we're going to do first is, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite parts about this project. Now, at this point, we're just going to have a little look at all of the artwork. So these are the little items right here, little NFTs, and all you can see is 10,000 unique spaceships. The token airdrop will be coming up next, and obviously you can join the latest play to earn game developed on the Elrond blockchain. All of these spaceships will obviously be able to be used in the game itself, and as you can see, they are just completely different. So it's not just a set of different characteristics, they are literally different spaceship all throughout, and probably come in different categories, sizes, and clans, and a lot more. But let's learn a little bit more about it on the actual website. So right now we're on krogancoin.com, where you can see you can play to earn. So with the power of decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens, these guys are developing a platform with lots of opportunities for gamers and investors as well. You can learn more by pressing on this button. You know what? I'm going to do that, but not right now, after the video. But NFT minting is actually coming soon. So 4 days and 4 hours from now, the mint will be open so that you can mint your little spaceship and use it to earn while you play in the future. So this whole game, this whole ecosystem is built with scalability in mind. So it's designed with a complex game economy that will benefit all stakeholders. Early participants will have a nice surprise at the launch, and also people who join in later will also have a nice surprise playing around with their spaceship in the metaverse. Now, how does it actually work? Well, it's built on the Elrond blockchain, and Krogan brings the world of crypto closer to the gaming world with the help of the Krogan token and NFT marketplace, having low transaction fees and less complexity in the process as well. So apparently Elrond is a good blockchain to build on, which we can see right here, as this project looks really cool. So also we do have the white paper right here, which we are going to take a look at later. But if you actually scroll down a little bit, you can see some of the actual platform features. So first and foremost, there is obviously upgrading of each of your spaceships. So you have the level 1, you got the level 5, you got the level 7, different types of armor, different types of statistics, and obviously a lot of different stuff will be done to make the play to earn game interesting and also allow a lot of people to stand out by playing more. So obviously you want to reward those people who are playing more, and punish those people who are not as good as the game as the other ones. It's just a very simple competitive nature of a game in the blockchain industry. Now, some of the features on the actual platform are, first of all, you have mining for resources, you have building companies, becoming a faction leader, interstellar battles. There are only a few of the platform features that these guys are working hard to develop. Now, the game will be fully developed on the blockchain, giving full transparency and confidence in the system. Using high quality pixel art, the game will have a pleasing retro feel combined with futuristic views of interstellar civilizations. Now, when it comes to the vision, one of the strategic visions is to create a one-stop platform for gamers and investors through a set of easy-to-use tools and great rewards. All of this with the help of the Krogan token. Now, when it comes to the marketplace, the game has its own marketplace with unique items. Each item has a set of randomly selected traits, which will be assigned at the minting time. Items can be upgraded and crafted into more complex ones as well, and obviously you can do a lot of different stuff with them. Upgrade your spaceship, make your spaceship better, earn more in-game currency, and earn more crypto as well. Now, when it comes to the roadmap, obviously the first contact was in Q4 2021, where the NFTs were designed, NFT system was created with levels, the website was launched, and the white paper launched as well. Now, Q1 of 2022 is the release phase, so they're going to be selling all of the NFTs, Krogan token airdrop as well, and the marketplace listing on secondary marketplaces. Q2 of 2022 will be the alpha testing, so infrastructure planning, software integration, access to early testers, and a lot more features right there. Q3 is going to be the beta testing, obviously testing features on DevNet and security audits, multiple of them, to ensure that everything is working perfectly and smoothly. And Q4 2022 live, so the game is on the mainnet at that point, and governance taking over for the future planning in the actual project. So really cool project right here. If you don't follow these guys on Discord, make sure to join them right here. And a little bit more information about the game. The multiplayer game focuses on social activities, teamwork, decisions, mining, crafting, and of course, a smart battling system. Trading materials and items within the community will have a huge factor in generating income and improving your performance in the game. Now, when it comes to the economy, the team has a big focus on the mathematical point of view of the economy itself. Analyzed inside out to have a perfect balance potential for everybody while protecting Krogan token from inflation, one of the issues a lot of game tokens are facing. So these guys analyzed everything and they found the best possible mathematical way to create a tokenomic token. So yeah, the team is a group of ambitious people based in Amsterdam. You can find out more about them by pressing this button right here. I like how the website is very simple, very straightforward. You can stay up to date by subscribing to the newsletter and potentially if you want to learn more in the future. Now, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this little review of Krogan Coin. You can follow these guys on their Telegram, Discord, Medium, Twitter, or Instagram as well, some of which I already showed you. As you can see, they're pretty new on the Instagram, but you know, they promoted a few posts, they got quite a few likes, and I do believe that these guys will do something interesting in the near future. Now, lastly, I definitely recommend you check out the Discord as well so you can learn about all the, frequently asked questions, announcements, and everything else that's going on within the project. But most importantly, give these guys a follow on their Twitter page, join their communities, make sure to become a supporter because supporters will greatly be rewarded. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if you enjoy the video and with your favorite parts about this project. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest in crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So see you guys next time.